everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana, and today we are working on Autism Awareness Wreath. Yes, we are. And we are working with our 24-inch wreath. We also got, we got a lot going on today. We got some of these puzzles, which I cut out the velvet and put some pipe cleaners on the back. Uh-oh. And we got some of these pieces of some mesh with some red and orange ones. We got some ribbons going on here for our bowl. I made these already prepared. They're just rolled up pieces of mesh, green, yellow, and blue. We got some more right here. We also got some pieces of some ribbons, which we are just gonna insert into our wreath and get some pretty ribbonness going out. Okay, with that said, let's get this started. Here we go. How's everybody doing today? Excuse, that's my alarm. Okay, we got these going on. We are just going to insert these. These came out so cute. Just look at a piece of puzzle and connect it on here. I was wondering, where can I get pieces? You know, make them yourself, you know. Okay, look at that. Let's get them. See, I just got some little bit of dab of glue. If too much, you'll see through it. So just put like a dab. There we go. Look at this. Yes, we are getting in April. I thought, excuse me. I thought, try out one. I think I am gonna do one more. Yes, indeed. This one came out pretty good. I did it over the weekend, and I thought, wow. My son, he's autistic. Yes, he is. He's nonverbal, but we're getting therapy through Hope, and he is just getting a bunch of learning going on, you know. It's hard sometimes, you know. We go in the stores or somewhere in the house, and it's just the sensory, you know. He loves music, though. He loves music. It's just too much sometimes, but I am learning, you know, to understand and, you know, see him. And they go a lot. They go autistic. Autistic is wow. Those are strong little, intelligent little kids, you know. Yes, indeed. And he is so much fun. He loves music, loves to dance. Well, he's asleep right now. Yes, indeed. That's my little joy right there. We have our days, but hey, it's no way on the big baby. Okay, got all these going out. Look at this. Okay, we got this going on right in there. Twist it. See the little glue that came in? Gotta cover it up. Wow, check that out. Okay. Uh-oh, I keep dropping things today. I'm gonna show you my ribbon we're gonna make. Okay. Can I put this away for a bit? Get you over here, back up here. Okay. We are gonna get down with our ribbon. Okay, let me see if I remember. We are just gonna make loops. That's it. We are just gonna make loops. Just make the size of loops you want. Remember, ribbon. This time I'm gonna lace them out so you know it could hang down. Got that one. Got another one right here. Little one right there. Let's make a little bit more. Same kind, same size. That like that. Got that one there. Okay. Then we got these going on, which I cut. These are like 27, 28 inches. We're just going to grab this, put it like that. Got one right there. Go get orange. Get this orange right here. This one right here. Put some teeth because it's coming right here. That little bit hanging. We're going to Get one here. We're going to put this one this way. And we're going to get one of these, put right here. And we're going to get another one. That's right here. We're going to get this one going this way. Just get them all in your hand. Okay, I think we're going to go with this one this way. Have it all in your hand. Then we're going to get another one of these. That one right here. I think we're going to turn that one. We got two. We're going to turn it this way. And see that, everybody? Look at this. Hopefully I got them all close together, and we're going to put it like that. Do we get it? Yeah. Look at that, everybody. Hey, we made a bow. Look at that. That, and we're just going to get, ooh, I forgot my handy dandy. Hang on, everybody. Hi. My handy dandy ribbon twister. We got this. So we're going to get this in here like that. Put it in there. And we are going to twist it around. Round and around. Look. Twist it like that. And voila, look at that. What is this? Look at this tail. Oh my. You cut that, Mama? Yeah. There we go. Got that one. Just curl under. watch this one right here. Look at that. Wow. Wowie, wowie, wowie. Look at that. Bam. Then, I don't know. I just was messing around. Just got some together, you know, the end pieces and wired them together. I don't know. But hey, we're going to use it. So get some orange up here. Look at, just put that in there. Like this. Get the color. Wow, look at that just coming alive. Okay, we got these pieces of, like I said, recycle your items. We just going to get these up in here. Where's my handy dandy ribbon twister? We are just going to twist this like that. Look. Watch the abracadabra. But bam, look at that. Woo. We are going to get this beauty. Where can we put this? Where they need orange, some orange, some orange, some orange. Okay. Got some orange going on right here. There we go. Okay, now, let me see what's going on. Got this one. We're also going to just put together like this and get some more orange in here. Let's see. How about over here? Get some orange up on here. Just grab it and twist it. Bam. Squeeze it together. And we got some more of these. Excuse me. Ay, ay, ay. It's the cold air coming in. Okay, here we go. Woo. Bam, look at that. Wow. We're going to get this gorgeous up here. Get some more of these. Just grab it. Twist it. Bam. What's that looking over here? Okay, then we got another one. We are just going to make another hoop. Let's see. One hoop and let some tail flow. Where else can we need some green? Let's see. Just look around and see where you need some more. Balance your colors out. And got it. Get this up in here. Look at that. Wow. Got that green going on big and bold right here, huh? A little too bold, huh? There. Calm it down. Wow. Then we're going to get our famous handy dandy ribbon twister. Go get that. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh, just coming out so beautiful, huh? We're going to get this. We're going to just twist it. Watch out. Like that. Bam, look at that. Ooh. Just puff this beauty up over here. And we got one more. Let me see. It's just not a piece. Like I said, recycle. Recycle. We're going to put this on piece. Let me see. Let's put this right up in here. Okay, let me get in there and get some of this green in. Bam. Let's get the handy dandy ribbon twister going on. And, ooh. There we go. Okay, how's that, everybody? Gonna pin it up or something. Let's see. Yeah, look at that, everybody. Can everybody see? Hey, let me check this out. Step back and visualize. Okay, here we go. Wow. Look at what we made today. How gorgeous that came out, everybody. Yes, indeed. Let's be creative and enjoy what we made. And Autism Awareness this month, everybody. Wow. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day. If you like, share, and subscribe. And get that smile on. Autism Awareness.